everybody. I hope you guys had a great weekend. We're going to keep it going with this online learning with this video today. I think tomorrow we're going to do a Google Meet, so just be ready for that around our class time. But for today, you can either print out the notes or copy what I got down here, but I want you to give these guys a try again. Are the following relations functions? So think back, how do you tell something's a function, then resume the video when you're ready to see the answers. Alright, so A, is it a function? Yes. Because each input, which are like our x's, goes to only one output. I know that the 8 gets hit by the 3 and the 1, but that's okay because all we're looking for is each input. Is it only going to one number? Each x. Does the x repeat? Alright, for B, it is also a function, yes. Each x goes to one y. So it is a function. For C, if you guys look at C, there's a problem here with -2. Because -2, the input, the x, goes to -5 and 7. So we say, no, it's not a function because x repeats. All you're looking for is, does the x value repeat? In B, you have 3, 4, and 5. None of those numbers repeat on the x side. Here you have 6, 3, and 1, and they don't repeat over there. But in C, the -2 repeats for the x, so it's not a function. All right. Number 2, below the table of values, is the relation function. It is. Explain. Each x goes to 1y. You know exactly what you're going to get out. List one point that would make this relation no longer a function. Oh, so if we want to make one that would no longer be a function, you would have to create another point where the x repeats from the table. So I see, if I'm looking at this point right here, 2, -9, I'm going to make another point with 2 as the x, and I can pick some random number. Oops, maybe like 100. Because now that x is repeating. All right. And then for C, there will be multiple answers here. Any number that has x somewhere repeating on this table of x's here. That would keep the original relation a function. So we don't want to repeat any of those x values. Maybe you could just do 10, 12. You could even do 5 and -7. -7's a y, but you can repeat y's and still have a function. Alright guys, so that was pretty much review from last week. Here are some challenge questions to try, and this is going to help you out going forward. So, is the following graph a function? I want you to think about that. Think about 1 and 2. When you do a new question, think about, hey, what do I know about functions? Anything I know. Bring that to the table. See if you can try 1 and 2. And then resume the video. Alright, well, at least for me, telling us something's a function, I know that if x repeats, then it's not a function. So I got points here, and I know what these points are if I just write their ordered pairs. So I'm going to write each of these ordered pairs. 2, 3, -2, 2, 0, -1, 2, -2, and then -4, -3. Now that I have the points, it's much easier to tell. So I'm looking at this point right here, 2, 3, and 2, -2. The x is the same in both of them, so it won't be a function. No, the x repeats. And then for 2, same idea. If you think you could try 2 again, give that a shot. Pause the video. So here we go. I'm just going to list out the points. It's going to be much easier to tell. -2, -2, and then 1, -2. And now that our points are here, maybe you even want to put them in a table to help you see it better. 2, 1, 1, -2, -2, 2, -2, -2, and it looks like I actually messed up this point here. Right, that's just -1, 2. So if you look at this table, you get -1, 2, and none of these x numbers on this side repeat. So, yes, it's a function. And then your final question is, do you know it's a shortcut for telling if a graph is a function? Instead of writing those points out, do you see any quick way that might help? Take a look and resume the video. I'll let you see what I see at least. I look for are the points on top of each other. Because if they're on top of each other, they're going to have the same x. If you look right here, these points are right on top of each other. Same x, not a function. But here, there's no points on top of each other. They all have their own little line. So that is a function. So that's a quick way you can check for a graph to see if something's a function. Alright guys, well, there's a video. Rewind it if you need help. We'll tomorrow, and we'll probably be meeting on Google Meet tomorrow too. Have a great rest of your day. A couple more weeks till spring break. Alright, take care. Bye-bye.